Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to kick someone off your Netflix account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we're going to do is open up a new internet browser. And what you want to do is come across to netflix.com. And from here, what you need to do, if you're not already, is just go ahead and sign into your account. And once you're signed in, you just want to go ahead and click on your profile. Okay, I'm just going to mute that. Okay, so from here, what you need to do to actually kick people off of using your account, if you come and click your profile icon up in the top right hand corner, and then what you want to do is come down and click onto the account setting. From here, the best way to do this would be, first of all, to change your password. So if you actually go and click the change password button here, and what you need to do is just pop your current password followed by your new password, and again you just need to confirm the new password. Make sure as well that you tick this box which says require all devices to sign in again with new password, as what's going to happen is when you change this password, it's going to sign out all of your devices that currently are active, and when they go ahead and try to sign in again, it's going to prompt them for the new password. So after that, what you can do as an extra precaution is, if you come back to your account page and then just scroll down, you'll see in the settings option here, you've got a few options, and there's one that says sign out of all devices. So what you need to do is change your password and then come back onto your account page, and then just click this button here to sign out of all devices. And what that's going to do is any devices signed into your Netflix account will automatically be signed out. And because you've changed the passwords, they won't be able to get in unless they know the new password. So that's how to kick someone off your Netflix account. And if you found that helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.